when the animal totem, the bee, comes into your life, it wants you to be aware of community, cooperation, hardworking, diligent, royal, kingdom, family order, love charm, success, sexual, stinger, frequencies. You are a powerful creator. Your work blesses everything you touch. Be open to receiving sweetness. You are the queen of abundance. Bees are honored as a good omen for success and a powerful symbol for royal families throughout the world. Live in the hive. Life in the hive represents the harmonious kingdom. Bees characterize meaningful communal activity, hard work, and diligence. The bee can be a great friend, but misfortune will come to those who harm the hive. Their stingers are always ready to protect. All bees are pollinators, and they are considered to be the most useful insect in nature. They are productive, focused, and do not get sidetracked from their goals. The bee reminds you that joy, purpose, and the sweetness in life can be found in a cooperative work for bettering the world. Because the bees are many, many industrious traits represented by good fortune. You must believe that it gives good fortune in everything in your life. In business matters, work with the bee. Adopt the bee as your personal symbol for a never-ending creation of abundance. If the bee is your totem, you are on a beeline to success. Like the mysterious bee in flight, you will accomplish what others cannot. You're busy as a bee. Nature brings unfailing energy, robust health, and longevity. Embrace the bee's life secret. Be productive while the sun shines. Become fully engaged in your creative endeavors and enjoy the flowers. Do these and all good things will be yours. Some questions that you can reflect on. Do you need to focus your efforts to create more success? Do you have a bee in your bonnet and need fresh air for your mind? Beware of those bear people who would try and steal your sweetness. Are you industrious to a level where it meets and fits your potential?